So the children primarily live with her, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so that means she would be the one that is entitled to receive the child support from you. And it is based strictly off of your net resources. So by your own admission, you make more money. However, you're saying it is for your business. Now let me ask you a question. Did you bring in the paperwork from your sole proprietorship, like the tax return or anything like that, to show that this is money that is actually not taxable towards you, but to the business?
He admits he makes more money, but there's a twist. The judge isn't just listening. She's hunting for proof. The father claims the income is for his business, not his pocket. But he didn't bring a single document. No tax returns, no receipts, no trail. And now the judge is about to make a decision based on his word alone. What happens next changes everything.
I didn't know I was supposed to bring that today, Your Honor.
You got served. Did you read the paperwork you were served with?
I was at my concert. The guy handed me a piece of paper I was performing. That's about it.
So the answer is no, probably.
Correct.
Okay, well, within that paperwork, when you're served, it tells you you're coming to court today, and these are some documents that you need to bring with you. Now, granted, everybody doesn't bring them, but that's how you would have been able to prove that the money that's been posted on your social media that you have admitted to is additional income, but it's for the business, not for your person. Because if you don't do that...
He got served in the middle of a concert, but instead of preparing, he walked into court empty-handed. No paperwork, no proof, just a vague excuse. Now the judge is spelling out the consequences. That flashy income he posts online, it's about to count unless he can convince her otherwise. But time is running out.
It looks like all of that is going into your pocket. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, with all due respect, I ain't filed my taxes about 3-4 years, so how does that work?
Okay, that's between you and the IRS. That doesn't have anything to do with me.
Oops.
Okay, yeah, so, anywho, so this is what we're going to do. Until you bring something in here that shows this income is not yours, your person, it is for your business, Texas law says that it's a net resource.
He just said the quiet part out loud. I haven't filed taxes in 3, maybe 4 years. The courtroom goes still. The judge doesn't flinch, but her next words cut deep. His business money. It's looking a lot like personal income now. And under Texas law, that could mean a serious child support increase. But that's not the only bomb dropped today.
So it has to be included in your gross. Do you understand what that means?
What if I stop doing my fundraisers?
Well, you're currently doing it, right? Even if you stop doing your fundraisers. People do that all the time. You have to know, I have seen and heard that before. People will come in here, find out that the additional money that they're making on the side is going to be included in their child support, and they no longer want to do it. But guess what? You're still going to pay child support based off of it.
So I can't quit.
Oh, you can quit. It's just not going to do anything in your child support. Okay. You understand that?
I got you.
Okay, all right.
He thought he found a loophole. What if I stop doing fundraisers? The judge doesn't miss a beat. People try this all the time, but once that income is on record, it sticks. And so does the child support. He can walk away from a hustle, but not from his responsibility. And the judge is far from done with him.
Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor, I don't.
Okay. Why are you smiling so hard?
Got you. No, I'm just kidding.
Got him what?
Finally to show up and take care of his kids. That's all I've been asking.
You know what? At the end of the day, he didn't have to show up the last time because you got exactly what it is that you asked this court for, and that was child support, right? Mm-hmm. Excuse me? It's yes, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what you're not going to do is antagonize him. You got exactly what it is that you said you needed for the children, and that was for him to take care of his kids.
He showed up. He agreed to pay child support. The judge granted exactly what she asked for. So why is she still fuming? One smile from him and the tension explodes. Petty shots, old wounds. It's more than court now. It's personal. But the judge shuts it down fast. And then she drops a truth bomb no one saw coming.
Now, if there's another reason that you're upset, then let it be for that. But he did exactly what he was supposed to do. He came back to court. Even though he fumbled around with it, he eventually told the truth, okay? So you got exactly what you wanted. So why are you being mean to him? Why are you being petty?
Sorry, it's just a lot of built up emotion.
Because she's single, Your Honor, that's all.
Huh?
She's single.
Oh, so that's what it is. It's some hurt feelings because you bought that little bag.
A little jealousy. You heard what she said, talking about the catfishing. That's all we hear. How many can she keep bringing me back here, Your Honor?
She says it's about the kids, but her words say otherwise. The judge sees it, the jealousy, the resentment, the pain she hasn't said out loud. When emotions boil over, the courtroom turns confessional. Is this still about child support or something much deeper? Because now it's her credibility on the line.
The short answer is yes. As long as she has new evidence and it triggers a material and substantial change, she can.
Every month, every year?
No, a material and substantial change doesn't happen like that, right? Now you win the lottery tomorrow, that's a material and substantial change. But I really don't like that you over there smiling like that. You still like him?
No.
I can't tell.
I don't even listen to his music.
Y'all even color coordinated. Y'all have the same patterns on.
I think she's spying on me, Your Honor. I think she's spying on me.
What's that about? Is there something you all want to tell me today?
Matching outfits, smirks, flirting under pressure. The judge isn't blind. And when she calls it out, things get real. This isn't just a child support hearing. It's unresolved love, betrayal, and maybe something still lingering between them. But with the law watching, will either of them say the truth?
Go ahead, make a confession.
I don't have anything to say. Thank you, Your Honor.
I take good care of my kids, Royce and Rose.
Well, all I say is this. If you're doing what you're supposed to be doing, that's it.
And I got 3 other kids.
Oh yeah, she did mention that you had 5 kids total. As long as are you on child support for those other children?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. So this is what we are going to do. Based on that additional income, you actually kind of max out.
I tried to tell her.
His income maxes out, okay? Do you understand what that means?
No.
All right.
He finally confesses he has 5 kids. Not 2, not 3, 5. And yet the math still isn't working in her favor. The judge breaks it down. The max has been hit, but she doesn't understand what that means. He's willing to pay, but now the law says he's reached the limit. And this conversation just took a wild turn.
So that means that although he has that additional money that you saw, that does not mean you're going to get 15% of all of that money. All right? So what were you thinking his child support should have been? So I can tell you it's not that.
I just thought a smooth 1,000 would be substantial.
You
for
thought
both
1,000?
of the kids together.
Oh, so 2,000 each.
No, 1,000 total.
Oh, 1,000 each, 2,000 total.
I mean, that'll work too.
Okay.
She came in confident. She saw the flashy lifestyle. She did the math herself. 2 kids, $2,000 a month. Easy. But the judge sees through it because that extra income she saw, it's not that simple. And when she hears the real number, her reaction says it all. But the final decision is still up in the air.
So yeah, this is what we're going to do. I have the authority to base his child support off of that additional money, right? However, you also admitted that you know about the business. So you know that that additional money is related to his business, right?
His baking business.
Yeah, the baking business. You know that, right? So the fact that you know it is kind of disingenuous for you to come in here and act as though you didn't know it.
She knew about the business. She knew where the money came from. But today she acted shocked. The judge isn't buying it. If you know the truth, you can't pretend in court. Now the game she tried to play is falling apart. And what the judge says next flips the entire case on its head. Because
it doesn't look like you're no longer coming in here for the benefit of the kids. It looked like you just want to come in here and stick it to them and get more money off of them.
No, these kids are very expensive.
No, I don't disagree that children are very expensive. However, you can't play with unclean hands.
Toxic.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Excuse me. Now, I got on to her about being petty. Let's not do that.
My bad. I apologize, Your Honor.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it. All right? So, you can't play with unclean hands. You come in here, you say he didn't show up to court, he's not taking care of these kids.
The judge smells it. This isn't about the kids anymore. It's revenge. She tried to drag him, tried to make him look like a deadbeat. But the judge turns it back on her. You can't come to court with unclean hands. You can't pretend to care while playing dirty. And this time, the law is holding her accountable.
And you know about the bacon business. You know that it makes additional money on the side. So this is what I'm going to do. I am not going to make him pay child support at that higher amount, because based on what he said and based on what you said, it's not income for him personally. It's income for his business, okay? So what we are going to do though is have you carry the health insurance. Now you said you can get access. You don't have access to it right now, but you can put them under a health insurance plan.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
The decision is final. Despite all the drama, despite all the accusations, the judge won't raise his child support. Why? Because it's business income, not personal. And both of them knew that from the start. But she's not off the hook either. Now she's being told to step up, and the judge just handed her a new responsibility.
Put them under a health insurance plan. I'll give you credit for $150. So we'll just leave the child support alone.
Boom.
It'll stay where it is. It'll stay at the $768 amount.
Okay.
Thank you for wasting our time today.
Thank you for showing up. Had you been here last time, we wouldn't be going through this today.
Okay.
I just got served.
Neither one of you kind of wasted my time fully being here today, because he needed to show up.
She walked in hoping for more money, but left with something else. The judge offers credit for health insurance, but no extra child support. The number stays right where it is, $768. Now, both sides feel like they wasted time, but the truth needed to come out, and the judge just made sure it did.
Obviously, to get the truth revealed for what you already knew.
Mm-hmm.
So, you can't throw shade at him without pointing the finger back at yourself.
You're right.
I know I'm right. I'm always right. Now, is there anything further? No?
No.
Okay. Anything further?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, if there's nothing further, you both are dismissed.
All right.
Hope you don't have any plans this weekend. You're babysitting.
Babysit his own kids? Okay.
It's over. The arguments, the games, the finger pointing. The truth finally came out. And it wasn't just about child support. It was about trust, accountability, and the pain both sides carry. The judge saw through the drama and handed down fairness, not revenge. If you followed this story from the start, you know this wasn't just court. This was life. Like, comment, and subscribe if you believe the truth always comes out in the end.